Well, hello and a very warm welcome to Business Today TV. I am Chetan Bhutani. We are at the 65th SIAM Convention, and of course, with the headline of the GST reforms, and I'm joined by the leading car manufacturer in India, Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Sales and Marketing. Thank you so much for joining us, Partho-san. GST cuts have been announced. One of the most eagerly awaited announcements for the automobile sector is now being done away with. Taxes have been reduced. Uh, we saw muted sales for a very long time, especially in this year as well. What do you make of it now, sir?
I think, first of all, thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister for really coming up with this GST 2.0 reform. This is not only going to help the auto industry, but all other industries also. And the common man is going to be a big beneficiary of it. Just to give a perspective, actually, in the small cars, due to GST, this price GST cut, the price cut which is going to happen is to the tune of 8.5%. And we in Maruti Suzuki has already committed that we are going to pass it on. The total benefit, 100% benefit of the GST to our customer, not only on the new car sales, but on our services, even on the parts also. So that's our commitment to our
But
Honorable
when do
Prime
we see
Minister.
the announcement coming up?
We already announced. Very next day, our chairman sir has announced that we are going to pass on and we are going to reduce the prices by 8.5%. That's what reflect in the form of the GST for the small cars, and for the big cars, it is going to be 3.5%.
All right. And this would be with effect from September 22nd only?
That's right.
Sir, we saw.
However, for the bigger cars, in order to help our channel partners,
What all cars can you mention that as well?
big cars means the cars which has the GST of more than 43%,
Okay.
including the cess. So there, I think the cess component is very high. So we, along with our channel partners, are offering the same benefit post GST to the consumers. That whatever the benefit of the GST, we will give it to you the pre-GST era also.
Like we were speaking to Bhargav San about it, and he mentioned that there would be a big revival in the small car segment now. He now expects the small car segment to grow by 10% now. So, can you name those cars for us, sir, in the small car segment? Because apart from the business audience, the viewers would also want to know what all cars is likely to be the biggest beneficiary of the GST cut.
See, if you see the classification, earlier the classification was 28% GST. We are the cars which were up to less than 4 meter and having the engine displacement capacity of less than 1200 cc. So in this, the cars which are going to be there will be the Alto, WagonR, Celerio, Swift, Baleno. These all cars are there. They all will have now the revised GST rate of 18%.
Right. Sir, now we heard, we saw recently your entry into the mid-size SUV segment through Victoris. Prices are, of course, being, we are waiting prices, but, the MD also in his speech mentioned the importance of this segment and, of course, a bigger SUV segment. Victoris is here. When do we expect the prices now, and would that benefit also be passed on to the consumer as well?
I think the Victoris was one product which we were missing in our portfolio for a very simple reason that we didn't have a product which was appealing to the Gen Z customers. Through this product, actually, we have been very well able to address, and the response has been very good. Within the first 48 hours of the launch, we have got more than 100 million viewers, and there is a very good traction in our showroom.
And could you give us a number of how many bookings have you received?
See, what we have seen now, though, if you see the comparison between our previous launches and other thing, we are seeing a traction of more than 2 times.
Oh, wow. Okay. Also, sir, when you come to the numbers, the quarter one saw a growth of like you sold 430,000 plus vehicles in the first quarter, plus 1.3 to 1.5 lakh vehicles in the month of August. I would like to ask you, what's driving growth for Maruti Suzuki? Even though we saw muted growth, but still, delivering and manufacturing 1.5 lakh, selling 1.5 lakh vehicles is not a small thing. So, how are you driving growth for this perspective, sir?
I think, Chetanji, the important thing which you need to understand is this, that Maruti always has a company who has been taking care of the customers, understanding the needs of the customer, and not just selling the car, but giving a total wholesome experience, be it the after sales service, even our used car business, the True Value brand is also doing very well. So we believe that just selling the car is not important. The overall TCO makes a difference to the customer. And there Maruti scores very well.
And of course, so we have begun the festive season through Onam now. What growth are you expecting with GST? Of course, benefits being passed on 22nd September. What growth are you anticipating in the second half now? Will you give us a number to that?
I can give you a perspective of the Onam festival. Onam is the start of the festival season in India. The previous month in August, we saw in Onam the growth of to the tune of bookings going up by 16%, which was a very positive sign. And after this announcement also, we are seeing the inquiry levels have gone up in our showrooms by almost 15%. So that's a very positive sign.
And of course, MD San also mentioned about entry to the premium SUVs market and how important it is for the brand. When do we see that happening?
I think let's talk about Victoris today.
Okay. And lastly, sir, what's the outlook on the second half of the year? You mentioned about high traction across the dealerships. What do you see in that industry, sir?
See, we need to understand one thing, that right now in the month of August, many customers have hold their purchases, which they are going to do in the festival time. So in the next 45 days, starting from 22nd, we will see a very good growth. But that has to be seen in the perspective that in the month of August, many customers who were planning to buy have postponed it. But if you talk about long term, my take is this, that auto industry earlier used to grow at the rate of 6 to 7%. And we will again be back on track.
Thank you so much, Partho San. Well, that was Partho Banerjee speaking to Business Today on, of course, the outlook of the industry and, of course, how consumers are to benefit from the GST cut.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.